What's up, guys? Welcome to another one, and this one's going to be one of those videos. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Yeah, so we're doing enzymes, just normal living and rough living and you know, rust. It's got a bunch of issues. We're not going to worry too much about all the little stains. What we're going to do is just do an overall clean and try to get it to smell better. Pet problems. 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 That's a song. Right here, some brownie. I'm not sure what that is. He said it's not pet stains, but I think it is. Definitely needs to be replaced. The customer was thinking about replacing it, but he thought he'd clean it one more time. Well, you know, we're gonna clean it. So I told him it'd take us about an hour and a half. He was like kind of shocked. But you know, it's the same process. You know, it's dirty, right? The only thing extra we're going to do is go around and hit it with some stain removal and enzymes. Treat these areas. And while that's dwelling, then we're going to take everything out, you know, and then pre-spray. So it'll be like 10 minutes. So it's going to add like 10 minutes to overall cleaning. So definitely going to have to scrub the whole thing. So we're going to be scrubbing. Agitation after I pre-spray. And yeah, so this right here is some Go Oxy. Okay, this is 5 ounces a gallon. I put 6. So I'm gonna hit all the pet stains with it. Actually, what I'm going to do first, that way the stains don't disappear, and I don't know where the pet problems are. I'm going to hit it with the deodorizer first. So this is Sagercide eucalyptus, not an enzyme. It has a formula that they use. It's supposed to get rid of the odor, and it really does a great job. I do a lot of this type of cleaning, not as bad, but I do a lot of pet owners cleaning. So I'm really anal on the pet owner stain removal products I use. I've kind of narrowed it down, and I think I'm pretty good with the chemistry. This rust or wood for pet problems. You know the general name is Enzymes, but honestly I'm not using enzymes at all lately because enzymes, for one thing, they're pretty expensive. For another thing is sometimes you'll have to go back and treat it with a peroxide product because it'll pop up, you know, burbers and stuff like that. It'll pop up and you have to go back there and just spray it with some peroxide and it disappears. But So what I do is I focus on peroxide products now for the staining, and for the odor, just good deodorizers, you know. So if this was an enzyme product right here that I was putting down, I'd be following it up with the peroxide, so that's not good because you'd be killing the enzymes with the peroxide. So I'm not trying to do the whole entire carpet with my deodorizer. I do have a additive that I put into my pre-spray to help with that. And overall, the overall odor of the place, because it does got that odor. But the pet stains itself, I'm treating with this. I don't think those are pet stains. So I'm kind of hitting what I think might be pet stains. A little bright in here for the light, and really, the light's just going to be too much. I'm going to hit the... it's going to be, I shouldn't say too much. I can't see everything with the light. So what I'm doing is visually going through here. And then I'm going to use the deodorizer, which is my pre-spray for the overall deal, but for staining and stuff. Honestly, this thing needs to be replaced. So we're going to get what we can see. And this eucalyptus stuff really smells really good. Try to stay away from stuff that smells like a lemon, because to me, urine kind of smells like a lemon. So I'm not sure if I know that's might sound kind of weird, but I don't know. Sometimes I think, does it smell like, with other products I've used, does it smell like urine or lemon? I don't know. So there's a lot of deodorizing products out there. You just kind of figure out, I mean, they're all pretty much made by the same companies, just different labels on it, different smells. So kind of figure out what smell works best for you. Me, more than the product, I like supporting the company that's selling them, because I like the people, so I want to support them. All right, and that's my whole basis of my business, guys, is I try to retain my customers. I mean, by having my customers like me. I know if they like me, they're going to keep using me. A lot of people get lost in just the cleaning. There's more. So we're going to name this video, Aaron's idea, Miracle Workers. So hope we do achieve that. Again, a lot of these stains and stuff like that, we're not going to worry about, and the customer is not worried about it, because we'd have to charge them a bunch more for the time. There's a lot of staining as far as furniture stains, rust, and whatever. Well, I guess everything will reveal itself when we cleaned it. So this is Oxy. Go Oxy by Incap Store. Now you can get the same type of product through different companies. They're called different names, but it's like peroxide oxy based formula for organic stains. So it's, again, just kind of figuring out who you want to support. I like to support people I like. I like to support people that actually are good in business too, because you might like somebody, but it might take weeks to get your product, and that's just not good in business. You need something reliable. So usually I'll pick a product and hope that Sean Don has it or Amazon has it, because they're always really quick to deliver, you know. So I'm going all over the what I believe to be pet stains, urine, or this. Then I'm going to pre-spray. We're going to extract, or I'm going to extract, yeah, I'm just going to extract. But I am curious on how this is going to turn out. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. Alright, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video. Alright, so we pre-scrubbed. Finishing up over here. Scrubbing. There's some spots that I'm just really not sure about, and I don't want to fight it too much, so I'm going to go ahead and make a little bit of high pH stuff here. This is going to help with some of these really tough black stains there, or spots. Stains are permanent, spots are not, and if they don't come out, if the spots don't come out, then they're stains. All right, so Aaron's taking over that last room over there. So as you can see, looks a hell of a lot better, right? Only thing is, as you can see, you got kind of like yellow stains all throughout here. That means those stains are permanent. Most likely treated with the wrong thing, or maybe the pet is on medicine and stuff like that. So, or I mean, just been there way too long. The guy has been here a long time. You know, really pet friendly guy. Or it could be this. You can go on any kind of Facebook blog and stuff like that, and most professional carpet cleaners are going to tell you that stuff is horrible. It sets stains and actually makes stains permanent. 90% of the time when I can't take stains out that should come out, I ask the customer what they're using, and it's usually that product. So a really good recommendation if you're getting into the business, always ask the customer what they're using to spot, right? And then if they do pull that out, you tell them to throw it away. Give them an alternative. So yeah, so you got that, I don't know, color loss or whatever it is. And there's no more urine in there. Smells great in here. It's just permanent staining. So I'm sure he's going to be happy regardless. He wasn't expecting much, but I like to go, I'm an overachiever when it comes to this, you know. Yeah, let's see what it all looks like when completely done. Finished up. You know, it ain't perfect, but it's better, a lot better. Hoping the customer will be really satisfied. Yeah, that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Where's that room? In that room. All those dark spots, big old stains that were there. If I can remember, I'll put before and afters, and right here somewhere in the corner. You know, that stuff takes a little bit of editing, so it takes a while to edit when you get tricky, guys. I love editing, but man, time flies. All right, we'll see you in the next one.